Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really simple freehand nail design. So I'm going to use a silver by Revlon called Sterling, emerald green by Sinful Colors called San Francisco, and a bluish green also by Sinful Colors called Jade Cat. So I already painted my nails with that silver polish, and I'm just gonna do kind of a wavy design. This is a really easy, simple freehand nail design, and I just thought with those two colors, because they're kind of sheer, it would look perfect on a silver polish. It kind of gives it like I guess like a pop in the back, like a glittery-ish look. If you want more glitter, you can do a glitter nail polish, but I wanted the silver. I just thought it looked really nice. Once I was done, I just used a thin nail brush and I drew two white lines to outline the design. It's a really simple design. If you want to, you can use black polish or a nail striper if you want. I haven't used my stripers for a while, but I wanted to show you. It's really simple, easy to do, and I love how these two colors came together. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy for you to do. You can use any colors that you want. And here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Fun with My Nails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.